Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot in Taunton, and I'm going to show you around this Rifter in the GT line specification. So this car comes with a lovely panoramic glass roof, there's 17-inch alloy wheels, tinted rear windows, you get front and rear parking sensors with a 180-degree colour reversing camera. The touchscreen features 3D navigation as well as DAB digital radio, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and Bluetooth. Some of the other features of this car include dual zone air conditioning, there's blind spot detection, automatic headlights, wipers and cruise control. So let's have a look around. This car comes with a 1.5 litre Blue HDI engine. It gives you 130 horsepower and has a 6-speed manual gearbox. The car's done under 2,500 miles, and if it's of interest to you, then please get in contact with us at Howard's Peugeot in Taunton. Thank you.